It's easy to overlook IKEA. The biggest issue is the surface, so let's start there. If you've ever worked with laminate or even thought about it, you're probably wondering, will paint actually stick to this? I wasn't convinced either, until I found the right primer. But before that, prep still matters. First, I'm cleaning everything with my Fusion TSP alternative. And to give that primer something to really grip onto, I'm scuff sanding the surface with 220 grit sandpaper. With the scuff sanding done, I give everything a quick wipe down to get rid of the dust. Then I tape off any areas I don't want to get primer on, just to keep the edges nice and clean. Now I'm moving on to my bonding primer, and this is what makes all the difference. This sticks to everything, and it's the perfect primer to make sure that the paint sticks to this laminate surface. This isn't my typical makeover. I usually work with more wood and veneer pieces, but the structure here is a great base for a more modern designer look. It just comes down to the prep, the right primer, adding interest to the drawer fronts, and updating the hardware and legs so everything feels cohesive.